Subscribe to Bizbo and press the bell icon. See boring news turn into enjoyable stories.
नमस्कार देवियों और सज्जनों.
How is it that 21 years since it first captured the imagination of the nation, KBC is still such a big hit? Your options are A. For its big prize money, B. Because of its feel-good factor, C. Because of Amitabh Bachchan, or D. All of the above. Adapted from the British show Who Wants to Be a Millionaire, Kaun Banega Crorepati took off like a rocket when it started in the year 2000 and continues to make waves, maintaining a steady third or fourth position in the TRP ratings in its 13th season. A lot of it has to do, of course, with Amitabh Bachchan's chemistry with contestants and his charm, wit and empathy, making a generation's dream come true when he goes around greeting each contestant personally before the start of an episode. No wonder there are temples devoted to him, and who gets to meet their god in flesh and blood except a lucky few? Some of the show's success also has to do with the lure of money. 1 crore is a huge amount for any middle class family in India, making the show an irresistible cocktail for the tele audience. When the Shahenshah first hosted the show, streets would be deserted.
लॉकडाउन क्यों है? हाय.
To lure customers, restaurants switched channels to show KBC, while at home, families would gather together in front of the TV, excitedly answering questions. Surely more fun than boring school exams? The frenzy of KBC jokes increased the show's popularity, like the wife's headache joke.
I have a headache.
Sure.
Yes.
Confident.
Arey Baba, yes.
In that case, I'll use a lifeline and call a friend.
Amul too had a party with the KBC ad, as did kids who held mock KBC at birthday parties, calling moms for phone a friend. Quiz books began selling like hotcakes. Elderly people would keep redialing their tedious rotary phones for hours, all so as to get onto the hot seat. So much was the call and later SMS volume that Airtel, MTNL and BSNL pocketed 10 to 12 crore extra in the third season. With so much demand and just a few hot seats, realizing that all callers cannot become part of the show, KBC in association with Airtel held a contest within a contest, giving away 2 lakh rupees every day to one winner playing from home. But because they charged 2 rupees 40 paisa per SMS instead of 1 rupee, it led to a fine being imposed on them, though the penalty was overturned by the Supreme Court. But nothing can stop a show that makes people feel good. Who won't like the story of a village barber winning 25 lakh on KBC and spending the money to build a school in his village? Then there are heartwarming stories like Rahat Taslim's, who after being denied her right of education by her father, gave him a befitting reply by becoming the first woman ever to win 1 crore rupees on the show.
I will show this money to my father.
Anuj Kumar, an electrician earning 700 rupees a day, won 25 lakh, equivalent to how much he would have earned in almost 10 years.
We are wired for stories of triumph over adversity. It gives our life meaning and purpose.
Then there were stories of those who fulfilled their potential, like Ravi Mohan Saini, who won 1 crore rupees in KBC Junior as a 14-year-old and grew up to qualify for IPS. And of those that didn't, like Sushil Kumar's win of 5 crore, the most talked about story in the show's 21-year history, where the obviously brilliant lad from a small village in Bihar frittered his winnings away, getting cheated in business, giving away some of it, on alcohol, and in trying to become a Bollywood director. 5 crore for someone who has never seen such wealth can be daunting and are prone to fall prey to all kinds of cons. This is not new. Farmers and villagers who sell their land for huge sums in government projects often end up splurging their newfound wealth on building fancy homes, jewelry and flashy SUVs, not in investing and growing that money as they should. To safeguard against this, the government provides the farmer with the option of inflation-adjusted monthly payouts spread out over 20 years plus a job to a family member. Otherwise, they will sink back into poverty, as the parents of the child artists who played the young Dev Patel and Freida Pinto did, losing all the money their kids received from Slumdog Millionaire. Wonder if KBC had psychologists and financial experts explain what winning such sums can do to their lives. Maybe it would help if celebrity contestants who come on the show also put in a word.
Congratulations, winners. Now be careful about how you spend it.
KBC's success gave rise to several clones, with producers believing that star power and money were the only ingredients needed for success. So they were foxed when Das Kadam, offering even larger prize money than KBC, fizzled out by the third season. But note, each star has a different personality with which the audience identifies. Salman Khan is identified for his muscles and his girlfriends. He is not particularly known as a cerebral hero. Probably that is why Salman in Bigg Boss is easily accepted, as there is always some hanky-panky going on in the show. The king of romance Shah Rukh Khan, the only other person to host KBC in its third season, also failed to catch the popular imagination. Again, the casting was incorrect. Loverboy SRK would be a perfect host for an agony aunt show, not a quiz.
I will solve your love life problems. Ask me.
The point was proved again when he attempted another quiz show. क्या आप पांचवी पास से तेज है? It was after India Poochega Sabse Shana Kaun, his third show that tanked, that he finally ditched the Q&A concept. Similarly, Govinda's 2001 rival show Jeeto Chappar Phadke and Anupam Kher's 2000 Sawal 10 Crore Ka barely ran a season. Possibly only Anil Kapoor with his down-to-earth persona or Amir Khan with his cerebral image that would have had any chance to match Amitabh Bachchan on his turf. In fact, Anil Kapoor cloning KBC did help Slumdog Millionaire garner 8 Academy Awards. India was the one that actually started the trend of a big celebrity hosting a game show. With the bar raised, now only a celebrity could do justice in regional languages. Saurav Ganguly's Bengali quiz show Dadagiri Unlimited is in its 9th season, and Ki Hobe Banglar Kotipoti, launched by him and later hosted by Prosenjit Chatterjee, is in season 2. After hosting the first 2 seasons of Kon Hoil Marathi Karodpati, veteran actor Sachin Khedkar jumped back into the host shoes for its 5th season this year. Telugu's Milu Yavaru Kodiswadidu's first 4 seasons were helmed by actors Nagarjuna and Chiranjeevi, while the young and dynamic junior NTR has taken the ongoing 5th season a notch higher. Elsewhere, even after becoming Rajya Sabha MP, actor-politician Suresh Gopi returned to host the Malayalam Ningalakum Akam Kudeswaran in its 5th season. Kannadada Kotyadipati has also completed 4 seasons with the late Puneeth Rajkumar and Ramesh Aravind, while the Tamil version Neengalam Velalam Odukudi has had 3 successful seasons with different hosts, Surya, Prakash Raj and Aravind Swamy. Most intriguing, however, is another adaptation in Tamil, where actress Radhika Saratkumar became the first female host for a hot seat reserved only for women. So popular is the formula that DD Kashmir in 2019 asked Kashmiri actor Rais Mohiuddin to host Kush Bani Kosur Karorpet as a way to make Kashmiris feel part of the rest of the country. All regional versions did well, with a continuous increase in TRP, with Marathi and Malayalam showing the most engagement. But can you name the one person or entity that earns the most money from KBC? Your options are A. Contestants, B. Broadcasters like Star TV etc., C. Celebrity hosts like SRK, Saurav Ganguly, Suresh Gopi etc., or D. Me, Amitabh Bachchan. The right answer is D. Probably well deserved, though for the great superstar, it wasn't always as rosy. At one time in 1999, Amitabh Bachchan was broke. The botched 1996 Mrs. World pageant managed by his company Amitabh Bachchan Corporation Limited had left him with crores of debt and film offers had dwindled. It was the late Samajwadi Party leader Amar Singh who used his good wishes with Sahara Group's Subrata Roy, who helped Amitabh save Pratiksha, his family house, and starve off bankruptcy. It was at this difficult time when Star TV threw him a lifeline of KBC that changed his fortunes forever. At a sum of 25 lakhs per episode, he agreed to shoot 390 episodes in the first season in a contract worth almost 100 crore. Shooting day and night, they completed 305 episodes, almost an episode a day. Today, 21 years later, he reportedly charges between 3 to 5 crore per episode. And of the 200 crores spent on production each season, 120 crores is Bachchan's fee alone. The show not only resurrected Amitabh's film career, but also allowed him to settle all of his debts, around 90 crore, within a couple of years. With a net worth today of almost 3,000 crore, $400 million, he bought another bungalow, Jalsa, in Mumbai's Juhu area, where he now resides with his family. Both Star, that ran the first 3 seasons, and Sony, who took over the rights of KBC from season 4, turned around their channels through this one show. As their Saas Bahu soaps Kyunki Saas Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi and Kahani Ghar Ghar Ki that were telecast right after KBC started getting eyeballs too. The show does have some critics for its sexist questions like marriage wife jokes, too much focus on mythology, and questions that are for pro-government policies. But probably the most revealing is that all celebrity hosts are invariably men. Does a modern India still believe that only men are possessors of knowledge? However, in times when one can Google anything within a second, a quiz show shouldn't hold much relevance. Still, crores of people continue to watch in the hope of becoming a crorepati or to meet their celluloid hero. Bizbo's Limerick. Who doesn't want to be a millionaire? It's even more fun when a celebrity is there. Cause from the silver screen, he's jumped into your scene, unbelievably just sitting across you on that chair. Subscribe to Bizbo and click on the bell icon to get notified whenever Bizbo releases a new video. Sources of all our information is listed in the video description section.